We have another simple problem based on continuity. We are given this function x less than or equal to 1, 5 and 1 between 1 and 3 a plus bx, b plus 5x between 3 and 5 and x greater than or equal to 5, it is 30. Then when is this function continuous? Given some values of a and b, or whether it is not at all continuous. Okay, so when a function is continuous, what does that mean? The limit of the function, let's say the function, the values at 1, it is continuous. That means f of x, the limit at 1 should be equal to f of 1. Right, that means left hand limit, right hand limit should be equal. At the same time, that limit should be equal to value of f of 1. What is f of 1 here? F of 1 is actually 5. Right, and what is limit x tends to 1? This is a plus b times, this is, we are talking about right hand limit. Left hand limit and value of the function is anyway 1. What about the right hand limit? A plus b into 1. We are approaching 1 from the right hand side. A plus b should be equal to 5. Right, so that is this one. A plus b should be equal to 5 and we are approaching x from the right hand side. Similarly, let's take these two parts. Limit at x equal to 5. Okay, when you approach from the right side, f of 5 and limit is also same, that is equal to 30. When we approach from the left side, what will happen? Then b plus 5 into 5 should be equal to the same 30. Right, so what does that mean? B should be 5. B plus 25 is equal to 30. What does that mean? B is equal to 5. And a plus b equal to 5. What does that mean? A should be equal to 0. Fine. So we have figured out a value of a and b, 0 and 5. Now, with this a and b, will it remain? We have ensured that it is continuous at 1 and 5. Will it remain continuous at 3 and 3? With the same particular a and b. Then only this function is continuous overall, right? So let us substitute a and b in these two equations and verify at 3 whether it is continuous or not. Right, at 3 minus, what will it become? It will become a plus bx. At 3 minus, when I am approaching 3 from the left hand side, what? A plus b into x. What is x? X is 3. And what is a? A is 0. 0 plus 3 into b. 3 times b, which is equal to 15. Okay, when you approach x, when you approach 3 from the right hand side, what should we get? We should get the same 15. That is b plus 5x. B plus 5 into 3. B plus 15 should be equal to b plus 15 should be equal to 15. But b is actually 5. 5 plus 15 is actually 20. Right. Left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit as x tends to 3. Right. Left hand limit we are getting as 15 with this a and b. Right hand limit we are getting as 20. So definitely this function is not continuous. Right. So if the function has to be continuous at 1 and 5, then a and b has to be 0 and 5. They have to be 0 and 5. But if a and b are 0 and 5, then this function is not continuous at 3. Right. So this function is definitely not continuous for any values of a and b. Right guys, this function is actually not continuous.